while you're just waiting, doing nothing in this truck, just feed these birds. Watch out, bro. Just look at all those birds, man. That's crazy. This place is full. Look at the top of the truck. But yeah. I need more food to give. More cookies.
You need more cookie, huh? Right here's
yep. They're probably hungry as hell. Oh, not this one. I like this one, but let's see.
Right here.
Oh yeah. Boom.
Right here. Give this to them. Russian people that seeing this video will know what this is.
So I gotta break this up. This place is full. It's fun. See, I'm bored on this truck, so this job is really boring, guys. So you have to do something like this. Like this whole parking lot. Nothing but birds. And this is you can see southern birds, I think. Got any more cookies? Yeah, there's more. Feed all of them. We don't need food. We're sitting and eating and getting fed while trucking. So what you got? This cookie right here. Boom. It's all trash anyway. This is fun, man. This increases our population, but I don't know how invasive they are. These birds are all over Texas.
Let me zoom in. That's funny.
Oklahoma.
Throw a big piece.
Here, throw this chunky boy. There you go. Oh my God! One of it got the whole piece.
And mind you, these are smart birds. Look at them pecking. All you can eat buffet.
They're all over the truck. This is crazy. This is like a whole. Wow. I've never seen this many birds. Yo, look at this top of this reefer. Look, there's a different species of birds too. There's a different color, I think. Some more cookies. It's a lot of wind. So, give me the bag.
Right here.
Ooh. There you go. Wow, these birds eat anything, it seems. That is crazy. Look, guys. They're everywhere. These are southern birds. If you know the name, comment down below. Yeah, I'm gonna end it there. This could be a good video if I just keep recording, but it'll be too long. And you guys, I just fed a whole population.
Yeah, you did. Look at this bird.
Okay, that's it. I'm gonna end it. Comment down, like the video, subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of videos every single day. Whoa, look at all them. Look, this bird right there is staring at me. He's wanting more food. Really, they're small birds. Let me record. See over there, look. That is insane. Boy, it is just. Can you guys count the amount of birds?